Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to eliminate your fear while having conversation with any person. So dear friends, this video is going to be very useful for you, and I think you will learn something new if you watch this video until complete. So please keep watching and take advantage of this video. Dear friends, first of all you will have to know that what you are going to speak, because many person make mistake because they don't know the exact idea, they don't have any matter about speaking. So my dear friends, you will have to make any matter for speaking about. And second thing is that you will have to learn more and more English words, because English words are many very important for you. Because if you don't know the more and more meaning of English language, so it's not possible to make sentences for you. For making the sentences, actually the main thing is that you start speaking, but after sometimes you stuck while speaking. Why? Because you don't have any ideas. So if you want to have any conversation with any person, you will have to make any ideas, any thought and your opinion, so that you may not stop while speaking. And third thing is that you will have to consider yourself, you will have to believe yourself that whatever you are speaking is right and rational. And please do not underestimate yourself, because a number of students they believe, they don't believe themselves, and that's why they make mistake and they got stuck while speaking. So you have to have faith in you. And last one is that if you want to learn English, you will have to speak every time. And please do not fear of making a mistake, because I have told you many times, my dear friends, mistakes are first step of your success. If you don't make mistake, you cannot correct your sentences and your speaking skills. So please do not fear of making mistake, because these are the common things while having conversation with any person. So please start speaking, whether it is good or bad, it doesn't matter, because you are just a new learner and new speaker. So this is a very common things for you, because I have also made many mistake in my English speaking journey. And that's why I am telling to you my experience, my own experience, which was happened with me in my past. And until now I make mistake many time, but I don't care for that, because if I will care for that, so how can I improve myself? So my dear friends, you should also think these things, and you will also take action against speaking English. And you should also learn more and more English words, which will help you in your conversation. And you will also make a friend who can talk with you in English language. And please always avoid those person who do not want you to speak English, and who criticize you while having a conversation with any person. So please avoid those person, and please make a friend who can help you, who can always suggest you in a good way, and who always encourage you. And because you know very well that encouragement is a unique tonic in the world. So I think you should always think about this. So my dear friend, please, if you want to become an English speaker, an English orator, so please start speaking. So dear friends, please do speak and make conversation. Thank you. We will meet in another video. Till then, take care and bye.